Online education is booming. More people are choosing online courses. This is due to several factors. These include flexibility, affordability, and accessibility. Learners crave convenience. They want to learn at their own pace. They also want to learn from anywhere in the world. Online courses cater to these needs perfectly. They break down geographical barriers. Top-notch education is no longer limited to elite institutions. Online courses democratize learning. They empower individuals to enhance their skills and knowledge. This can be done from the comfort of their homes. The demand for online courses is only expected to grow. This is driven by the ever-evolving job market. People are seeking new skills. They need to stay competitive. Online courses provide a convenient and effective solution. This makes it the perfect time to dive in and create your own online course empire. The first step to launching a successful online course is identifying your niche. What are you passionate about? What are you good at? What knowledge or skills do you have that others are willing to pay for? Think about your interests, hobbies, and professional background. Maybe you're a photography enthusiast. You could teach others how to take stunning photos. Perhaps you're a marketing guru. You could share your secrets to building a thriving online business. Once you have a general idea, it's crucial to validate your niche. Research your target audience. Are there enough people interested in learning what you want to teach? Are there existing online courses in your niche? If so, what can you offer that's unique and valuable? Remember, the best online courses solve a specific problem or fulfill a specific need. By focusing on a niche, you can tailor your content to a targeted audience. This increases your chances of attracting students and building a successful online course business. Content is king in the world of online courses. Your content needs to be top-notch. It needs to be engaging, informative, and easy to understand. Start by outlining your course curriculum. Break it down into modules and lessons. Each one should focus on a specific topic or skill. Use a variety of formats to keep students engaged. Incorporate video lectures, slideshows, downloadable worksheets, quizzes, and interactive exercises. High-quality video and audio are crucial. They enhance the learning experience. Make sure your content is visually appealing and easy to follow. Don't be afraid to inject your personality into your teaching style. Be enthusiastic, relatable, and encourage student interaction. Create a supportive learning environment. Foster a sense of community among your students. Remember, your goal is to create a transformative learning experience. You want your students to walk away with valuable knowledge and skills. They should feel empowered to apply what they've learned. Section 4. Platform Power. Choosing your online stage. Choosing the right platform is crucial for your online course business. There are many options available, and each one offers different features and pricing plans. Popular platforms include Thinkific, Teachable, Podia, Kajabi, and Udemy. Consider your budget, course size, and technical skills when making your decision. Some platforms offer free plans with limited features, while others offer more robust features that often come with a monthly or annual fee. Think about the learning experience you want to create. Look for a platform that offers features to support that vision. This could include things like customizable branding, multimedia support, integrated payment gateways, student progress tracking, and community forums. Take advantage of free trials and demos offered by different platforms. This allows you to test out their features before making a commitment. Remember, the right platform will help you deliver your content effectively, manage your students, and streamline your business operations. Section 5. Marketing and Momentum. Attracting eager learners. Creating a great online course is only half the battle. You need to get it in front of the right people, and this requires a solid marketing strategy. Start by building an email list, which will help you connect with potential students. Offer a lead magnet, such as a free ebook or webinar, to incentivize people to sign up. Leverage social media to your advantage by creating engaging content that promotes your course. Run targeted ads to reach your ideal audience. Collaborate with influencers in your niche to tap into their existing audience. Consider offering an early bird discount or bonus content to incentivize early enrollment. Gather testimonials from satisfied students and use those testimonials to build social proof and credibility. Remember, marketing your online course is an ongoing process. Continuously test and refine your strategies to optimize your reach and attract a steady stream of eager learners.